Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Undefeated Banda. Today I am going to share you my journey on YouTube, how I make 2000 subscribers in just 3 or 4 days. I can show you the proof that I have gained more than 1100 subscribers in last 3 to 4 days and how I got that. I have created this channel in 2024 18th August and 18th August, and then I tried my best to get so many subscribers, but it didn't. I couldn't get that. I started live streaming vertically, and then that actually works. That worked for me. I started vertical live stream daily for 5 hours. I streamed for 5 hours daily, and then I get like 10 subscribers in so many days, and 40 to 50. No, not that. Not 14 or 50. Just 10 to 12 subscribers per live stream, vertical live stream. Then I thought that it is more difficult to get subscribers like this in vertical live stream. So then I invented something in my way. YouTube is a place of invention. You can share your thoughts and other things. Then I thought, how can I make it more? Then I started publishing YouTube Shorts, and you know that YouTube Shorts is a great way to more views, get more views and other stuffs. So I started posting YouTube Shorts, but I only get 800 views or 900 views per shorts, and that's not enough in YouTube Shorts. Then I post a cat video that's not mine. Listen carefully. I have posted a cat video which was not mine, and I just edited it and posted it on YouTube. Then I got 20,000 subscribers on that video and on that shorts, and I got like 50 plus subscribers in one short on YouTube short. Then I have gained some courage, but I thought that it will give copyright. So then I stopped. But when I stopped, my subscriber goal is going down. So then I have gained much courage to post that. Then I again tried to post other cats, and guess what? I have gained 100 plus subscribers every day, 150 plus subscribers, and now in my channel I have gained 1800 plus subscriber in just 11 to 12 days. So that's why I have gained that subscribers. I have gained knowledge and courage. You can clip others. You can clip other shorts and edit them good, and post them in YouTube. That will help you. Okay.